Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 3636, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows. What's the meaning of angel number 3636? What's the symbolism of 3636? What is the spiritual significance? What does the 3636 mean for love? What does 3636 mean for twin flames? What does 3636 for manifestation? How does angel number 3636 affect finances? What does 3636 mean for former relationships? How does 3636 guide your work life? What are the strengths of angel number 3636? What are the weaknesses of angel number 3636? What's the meaning of angel number 3636? Angel number 3636 signifies balance, nurturing, and spiritual alignment in your personal and material life. The number 3 brings creativity, communication, and spiritual growth, while 6 relates to home, responsibility, and care. When repeated, 3636 emphasizes the need to harmonize your inner world with your outer responsibilities. It's a message from your angels to trust that your material needs will be met as you focus on emotional and spiritual well-being. The number encourages you to maintain faith during periods of uncertainty and reminds you to lean into love, gratitude, and service as guiding principles. What's the symbolism of angel number 3636? The symbolism of 3636 lies in the fusion of creativity, 3, and compassion, 6, repeated for emphasis. This angel number encourages you to create a life rooted in harmony, generosity, and emotional fulfillment. It symbolizes the importance of family, community, and spiritual connection, suggesting that success isn't just material, it's holistic. Seeing 3636 could mean you're being asked to focus on domestic responsibilities, spiritual alignment, or emotional healing. It symbolizes support from your angels in finding peace between your soul's calling and your daily obligations. Trust that balance, love, and faith are the key themes embodied in this device. What is the angel number 3636 spiritual significance? Spiritually, angel number 3636 invites you to deepen your connection with the divine through acts of compassion, gratitude, and faith. The number 3 amplifies spiritual communication and divine inspiration, while 6 encourages service, healing, and emotional maturity. Together, they suggest you are supported in your spiritual journey and that aligning with your higher self will bring peace and purpose. This number is a reminder to nourish your soul just as much as you care for your material world. It calls for balance, grounding your spiritual values in your everyday life while trusting in divine guidance and timing. What does the angel number 3636 mean for love? In love, angel number 3636 emphasizes emotional balance, commitment, and nurturing relationship. It suggests that now is the time to build or restore harmony in your romantic life. The energy of 6 promotes family and emotional security, while 3 adds joy, openness, and communication. If you're in a relationship, 3636 encourages cooperation and heartfelt dialogue. If single, it invites you to heal from past wounds and open your heart to a spiritually aligned connection. This number reminds you to give and receive love freely while maintaining healthy boundaries. Emotional honesty and mutual respect are the foundations of fulfilling love. What does angel number 3636 mean for twin flames? Angel number 3636 in a twin flame context suggests a period of emotional and spiritual alignment between you and your twin flame. It often appears when both individuals are being guided to balance their internal lives, healing emotional wounds and strengthening their spiritual core. The 3s speak to spiritual growth and soul communication, while the 6s encourage unconditional love, empathy, and forgiveness. This number can indicate a reunion or a maturing of the connection, especially if both partners are learning to prioritize spiritual purpose alongside emotional connection. It's a divine message urging healing, patience, and a heart-centered approach. What does angel number 3636 for manifestation? Angel number 3636 supports manifestation through spiritual alignment and emotional clarity. The number 3 enhances your ability to visualize, express, and attract, while the 6 ensures your desires are grounded in values like love, family, and service. This combination tells you that manifestation is most effective when your goals support emotional fulfillment and spiritual growth. Your angels encourage you to release fear or scarcity mindsets and instead affirm abundance through gratitude and self-trust. Consistent spiritual practice, compassion for others, and a balanced approach to giving and receiving will help you manifest what truly serves your soul's journey. How does angel number 3636 affect finances? Angel number 3636 influences your financial life by promoting balance, responsible management, and faith in divine provision. The number 6 is tied to home and material needs, suggesting a focus on financial security and stability, while 3 encourages creative income streams and resourceful thinking. Seeing 3636 is a reminder that your needs will be met as you align your money habits with spiritual and emotional values. It may also point to the need for budgeting, generosity, or reevaluating your financial priorities. You're being encouraged to release financial fear and trust that abundance flows when you lead with purpose and gratitude. What does angel number 3636 mean for former relationships? Angel number 3636 suggests a time of reflection, forgiveness, and emotional healing regarding past relationships. The number 6 represents nurturing and closure, while 3 speaks to spiritual lessons and emotional expression. If you've been holding on to resentment or pain, this number is a call to release and heal, allowing peace to replace emotional heaviness. Your angels are guiding you to learn from the past, not live in it. Letting go creates space for new, healthier relationships to form. 3636 reminds you that emotional balance and spiritual growth are often born from understanding and releasing what no longer serves. How does angel number 3636 guide your work life? In your professional life, angel number 3636 encourages you to align your career with your values and emotional well-being. The energy of 6 highlights responsibility, teamwork, and service, while 3 supports creativity, communication, and joy. You're being guided to find purpose in your work, seek meaningful collaboration, and avoid burnout by maintaining work-life balance. If you've been overcommit or unfulfilled, 3636 is a sign to recalibrate and follow a path that nourishes your spirit. Consider how your career can be both financially and emotionally rewarding. Your angels affirm that when your work supports your soul, success will naturally follow. What are the strengths of angel number 3636? Angel number 3636 carries many strengths, including emotional intelligence, empathy, creativity, and spiritual awareness. People influenced by this number are often deeply nurturing, community-oriented, and naturally balanced between giving and receiving. They are strong communicators from the 3 and dependable caregivers from the 6, making them powerful healers and supportive friends or partners. Their intuition and connection to higher guidance help them navigate life with grace and purpose. They excel in roles that involve helping others, building harmony, or creative expression. Their inner strength lies in their ability to maintain calm, care for others, and stay true to their values. What are the weaknesses of angel number 3636? The weaknesses of angel number 3636 can stem from overgiving, emotional dependency, or avoidance of confrontation. The nurturing nature of the 6, when unbalanced, may lead to self-sacrifice or difficulty setting boundaries. The creative and expressive energy of the 3 can also result in scattered focus or emotional overwhelm. People influenced by 3636 might struggle to prioritize their own needs or have trouble saying no, often taking on more responsibility than is healthy. There may also be a tendency to cling to comfort zones or fear financial instability. Balance, self-worth, and emotional clarity are essential for overcoming these traits.